Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying Auto Recover is active and locating its folder so you can retrieve interim saves. Open Excel, go to File then Options, Save. Note the Auto Recover file location and autosave interval. Once done, open File Explorer and paste that path. Sort files by date modified to surface recent items. You do this because Auto Recover stores temporary snapshots. Finding the newest one gives you the best chance to restore unsaved work quickly and accurately. Next, expand your search to system temporary and built-in backup locations so you cover missed copies. Type %temp% into File Explorer and filter for TMP files starting with tilde or back extensions. These can be renamed to XLSX and opened. Then check the workbook folder for XLK backups or use folder properties to restore a previous version. This reads shadow copies from Windows. Also, in Excel, choose File, Info, Manage Workbook, Recover Unsaved Workbooks. This collates recoverable autosave files in one place. Finish by repairing and safeguarding the file so you don't lose progress. In Excel, go to File, Open, select the file, click the arrow next to Open and choose Repair. If that fails, select Extract Data to recover values and formulas. If corruption persists, upload to Google Sheets or open in LibreOffice. Different parsers sometimes succeed where Excel cannot. Make sure to copy the original file to a separate drive before attempting repairs. That preserves a pristine fallback if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.